Dipti's favorite, is just so beautiful, isn't it? The fur unit here was designed in a way so that it looks more like a console unit than a shoe unit. This room, to me, it looks like as if it's straight out of a magazine. This living room has been designed in beige and brown color palette along with ambient light, which makes this living room a reflection of exactly what they wanted. This kitchen has been designed keeping in mind both aesthetics and functionality. Now don't forget to hit like if you think this kitchen is Pinterest worthy. Not just warm and inviting, but also modular kitchen have to be very efficient. Now this is the master bedroom, and the entire subtle shade of pink that is used here altogether exudes a very warm and a very welcoming feeling. Here is how you can innovate your master bedroom along with a working table and still make it look so classy.